Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting AI agent in Delaverse that's all about supercharging your marketing game, the automated customer segmentation AI agent. Imagine turning raw customer data into crystal clear personas that help you craft marketing campaigns that hit the bullseye. This AI agent uses AI to analyze your customer info, spot patterns, and deliver personalized insights straight to your team. It's perfect for boosting conversions and making every interaction count, whether you're a small brand or a big e-commerce player. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to the Delaverse Playground at playground.delaverse.ai. Log in with your account and hit Create New Project. Name it something like Automated Customer Segmentation to keep things organized. From there, you'll build your AI agent step by step on the canvas. No coding required, just drag and drop. Let's break down the key pieces that make this AI agent magic. First up, data collection. You can pull in customer details like demographics and purchase history from a Google Sheet. Super easy if you're managing data manually. Just authorize your Google account, set up the sheet with your info, and connect it. Or, for real-time vibes, use an API node to grab fresh data from your website's database. Set your base URL and authentication, like a simple API key. Then fire off a GET request to fetch the goods. Next, the heart of it all, the AI assistant node. This smart engine crunches your data to uncover customer segments. Think high spenders, casual browsers, or loyal fans. Pick a powerful model like OpenAI, and it spits out detailed profiles with behaviors and recommendations. Link it right after your data source for seamless flow. Then, generate a polished report with the Google Docs node. It creates a shareable document full of insights, ready for your team to review. Choose formatted text for that professional look, and connect it to capture the AI's output. Finally, send it all via Telegram. Set up a bot with @BotFather, add the token, and boom, instant notifications to your marketing squad with the full report and action items. This AI agent shines in tracking customer patterns. You'll get breakdowns like demographic profiles, behavioral insights, and value metrics for each segment. It's invaluable for seeing who's engaging most and why, helping you tweak strategies on the fly for better ROI. The real win? Targeted campaigns that drive sales without wasting ad spend. By personalizing experiences, you can increase conversions and build loyalty. Share these insights with your team and watch your marketing efforts pay off in happier customers and higher revenue. Want to level up? Automate the whole thing with a trigger or scheduler node. For sheet-based setups, use the trigger to run it on a schedule, say weekly. For APIs, the scheduler keeps data fresh every few hours. Pro tip: test connections early. Customize AI instructions for your niche, like focusing on e-commerce trends, and always check logs for smooth runs. If you need tweaks, Delaverse support has your back. With this AI agent, you're empowered to make data-driven decisions that grow your business smarter and faster. No more guesswork, just actionable insights that fuel success. Dive into Delaverse today. Build your segmentation powerhouse and start seeing those conversions soar. Who's ready to segment and conquer?